The Nasdaq Monday, a sea of red as tech stocks tanked. Chipmaker Nvidia plummeted 17%, with the biggest loss in market value for a U.S. company ever.
A new China-based artificial intelligence startup is shaking up an industry known for its rapid innovation. It's called DeepSeek, and its biggest advantage, analysts say, is that it can operate at a lower cost than American AI models like ChatGPT.
US President Donald Trump has warned that a new AI chatbot from Chinese startup DeepSeek is a wake-up call for America's tech industry. The app has become the most downloaded free app in the U.S. already. Its popularity has shaken the markets, with U.S. chip giant Nvidia seeing close to $600 billion wiped off its market value.
Right. So a lot of people are saying that DeepSeek is much better. So let's look through how they use reinforcement learning to improve AI reasoning capabilities. And while we are looking through their research paper to see how they train their AI, we can see if these strategies can be useful for teaching and learning. One really big improvement that made DeepSeek that much more economical to train is that they improved the way that reinforcement learning is done. The old way is to use a critic model, like when a teacher marks everything in detail, it takes too long. Instead of evaluating everything accurately, DeepSeek training instead uses estimates from group scores. This highlights the importance of informal conversational feedback or group or peer feedback. More frequent feedback is better. In addition to quizzes and tests, we can do more group work on vertical surfaces where students can comment on each other's work, as well as conversing with students. And maybe you will even have less marking. In their AI training, they do something that all good educators do. In addition to rewarding accuracy, we reward good formatting. Accurate answers need to be communicated clearly following conventions. DeepSeek tried training by giving it more thinking time. With more thinking time, the AI is able to revisit and re-evaluate its previous steps and explore alternative approaches to solving a problem. This is a reminder that educators need to give enough time for students to think. When rushing through the curriculum, we are not improving reasoning capabilities in students as much. Applying a lot of reinforcement learning enables the AI to develop advanced problem-solving strategies. This is a testament for targeted practice, otherwise known as homework. Only with lots of practice will students master advanced problem-solving strategies. Another reason why DeepSeek was able to train their AI more efficiently was because they used cold start data. Cold start refers to directly teaching the AI what is expected of it by the end of the learning cycle, and then giving it examples on how to reach the desired assessment goals. This is just like backward design. When a new topic is introduced, educators should clearly identify the learning goals and provide exemplars. These example products will help students learn much more efficiently. While training DeepSeek R1, the researchers noticed that the AI chain of thought often uses language mixing, and that forcing the AI to stick to one language results in degradation in performance. This coincides with my personal experiences. When I am conversing with people who are able to code switch with me, that is, changing languages in the middle of sentences, I feel that my thoughts and ideas are more fluid and smoother. So, may I suggest to my fellow educators, allow your students to speak with each other with whatever languages they are most comfortable in while they are learning, and perhaps even in language classes. DeepSeek R1 performs worse than a previous generation AI when there is safety reinforcement training that discourages it from saying certain things. In the classroom, if we provide a safe space for students to speak their mind, their reasoning performance will be improved. DeepSeek researchers have shown that large scale reinforcement learning improves performances across diverse domains. This is the answer that educators can give to students when they ask, "Why do we need to learn this? We will never use it again." Students need this large scale reinforcement learning to be able to conquer settings and scenarios yet unknown and undiscovered. Perhaps the most important thing that the DeepSeek researchers illustrated is that the efficiency gains can be really big when the output of the expert AI is distilled and fed into the smaller AIs. Educators should feel encouraged to provide distillations of knowledge to their students. For example, use concept maps, infographics, study guides. Things like this will really help students gain understanding and outperform their mainly memorizing former selves. Finally, I would like to end with a little poem. Training an AI, like teaching a mind, both start with a blank slate, eager to find. Errors are made, but growth comes with time. Both learn from mistakes, through practice they climb. Patience and guidance, the heart of the art. Nurturing progress, each plays their part. As AI grows wiser and students take flight, deeply seeking understanding to shine in the light. Thank you.